Hello everybody and welcome back. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and I am back here again with another unboxing. For some reason, I don't know, my boxes kind of have been stacking up. I have about 4 of the Macy Beauty boxes that I've been collecting for the previous month, and I now want to get to them because they just keep stacking and stacking, and eventually I'm gonna run out of space from where I have them. So what I'm gonna do is I do have 4 Macy Beauty boxes to unbox, but I'm just going to film a short separate video for each one. That way you guys can get to pick and choose which ones you guys want to see and which ones you don't. And you know, you don't have to sit through a really long video. So I will go ahead and do that for you guys today. So let's get into it. This is our first box here. This one I believe is going to be February. Probably the one and only box that I was able to get up was the January one. So here we have February, and then I will do the rest up until May. So you guys will see those videos up soon. For those of you that don't know about the Macy's Beauty Box, it is a $15 a month beauty box subscription, but inside you do get a $5 coupon that you can use towards your next beauty purchase. Sometimes it's a $10 one, which is, I think, really good because I don't believe there's a minimum. So you just take that in store, purchase whatever you are purchasing from the beauty department, and then they'll just go ahead and apply that towards your purchase. So you will either get a $5 or a $10 coupon. Either one, you know, it's just always money back from your next purchase, so why not? Along with that, each box comes with a small little makeup bag, and within there you get 5 deluxe samples plus a bonus, and that bonus can range from different things, like a small little perfume. I believe one of the other times we got like a small little packet of the makeup melter from Clinique. I forgot what it's called, but it can vary. So let me go ahead and open this box so we can see what we got inside. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so once we get inside, this is what we got for this month. It is, again, like I said, the month of February. So we have our little bag here, red on the outside with the zipper right in the middle, you know, nice full lips, and pink on the back. Along with this, we also get a little pamphlet, and inside we get the $5 coupon that I mentioned, along with all the information about the products that you get inside. So let's see what we have in here. Unfortunately, my coupon here has already expired. They usually give you about 2 months. Yes, about 2 months to cash this in. So you can, you know, decide if maybe you want to repurchase something that you got inside your bag, or you can use it towards anything else. So let's get into the bag and let's see what we have inside. So once you open it up, the products are usually wrapped in the little pink tissue paper like this, and then inside you're left with just the little logo from Macy's. And once you unwrap it, you will have everything in here. So it's nicely packed so things don't go everywhere. So this is what your little bundle looks like. Let's go through them one by one. Our first product here, it is from Origins, and it looks like it's a retexturizing mask with rose clay. This is what the little bottle looks like. It's very pretty, nice and pink with gray lines across from it. It is from Origins, and let's see what a little pamphlet says. The retail value for this is $28, and it's just supposed to pretty much cleanse impurities and give your skin an extra oomph for smooth, glowing canvas. So this is our first product here. It is a clay mask from Origins. Let's see what else we have. Our second product here, it is a mascara from Clinique. Like I always say in my videos, I am not a giant fan of getting mascaras in my boxes just because I normally just use one specific mascara. So whenever I get something in my box, I'm not too excited because usually I just give them away. So this just means that somebody that I know will now have a new mascara. The retail value for this, it is $19. So if you want to go ahead and purchase a full size of this mascara, it will run $19. So this is supposed to be a high impact, which should give volume and lengthen your eyelashes. I forgot the word. So it should give volume and length to your eyelashes. So I mean, makes pretty good promises, but I don't know. I just found that so many of the mascaras don't just work for me. So like I said, I'll just go ahead and pass this on. So let's move on to our next product. So our next product here looks to be full size. From the whole time that I have had the box, this is, I think, the first time that we get a full size product. This is a liquid lip from Anastasia of Beverly Hills, and it is a red. It is a red color. Usually when we do get lipsticks, they do tend to be red a lot of the times. So I have so many red lipsticks, but this is pretty cool that we actually got a full size. So the full size of this lipstick will cost $20. So this with this here, $20 worth pays for the box and then some. We paid $15 for the box. We got a $5 coupon, but we got an item that is worth $20. So that can just automatically pays off the box. Let's see what else we have in there. Okay, so our fourth item here, it is by Fashion Forms, and they are disposable breast petals. So these are the little petals that you can pretty much wear when, you know, us girls don't want to wear a bra. And, you know, this will cover the important parts. It is one pair. It is a set. And it says here that it is disposable. So it is a one-time use. We don't normally get things like this in this box, which is very random, you know, to see something like this. I don't know. This one took me by surprise. I really wasn't expecting this, but it's part of our box. And according to our little pamphlet, a pack of 3 will cost $7. So we are getting one here. So I don't know what to think about these, but this is our fourth item. Our next product here is a loose setting powder by Dermablend. I like getting setting powders like this because even though it is a small sample, these do last very, very long. I've never personally tested the Dermablend brand, but I am excited to have it here because one, it just means that it pushes away the time that I need to buy another one, and I have one here. So once I'm done with my other ones, I will go ahead and start with this one. This is what the little container looks like. Let's see. Oh, it has a little tiny sifter. I'm not sure if you guys can see it right now. It's covered with the little sticker. I don't want to pull it off because usually it just tends to go everywhere. So I'll go ahead and take this off once I'm ready to use it, but I'm very excited for this one. According to our pamphlet, a full size will cost $12. Okay, so this is not an expensive brand. It says it will preserve your look for up to 16 hours. So I really hope it can live up to that. I do tend to wear my makeup throughout the whole day because I do work at a full-time job. So I like to set my makeup and I like for it to last. So I'm very excited about this one. Let's see what else we got in there. So here we have a little tiny mini beauty blender. You know what? This is actually our 6th item. It does say that we get 5 deluxe samples. So I'm wondering if for this month they just threw in an extra little item in there. It's a very, very tiny little beauty blender. Usually I like to keep these in my desk. So whenever, you know, something does go wrong with my face, with my makeup, I have it on hand and then I can just kind of like dab whatever I need. It usually happens where my lipstick will smudge, and with this one and just either a little bit of powder or a little bit of concealer, foundation, anything, you can pretty much just dab the area that you need And they do come in really, really handy. So I think I have maybe about 2 of these already. So I'm just gonna add another one to my collection, and it just makes me really happy that I have more there, because when I don't wash them as often as I need to, I like to just get another fresh one and then just add it to that stack. So I really like this product here. Let's see what we have for our perfume sample. So the perfume sample that we got for this month, it is Black Opium from Yves Saint Laurent. I know there's a different way to pronounce that, but that's just the way I normally pronounce it. But this is what the package looks like here. And on the inside, it looks like it's just a little tiny spray bottle like we normally get. I like getting these better than any of the other extras that they give us, just because it's easy in the morning. I like to separate the ones that I like, the ones that I don't. So as I'm leaving in the morning, I just grab whichever one from my like pile. I just spray it a few times, throw it back in there, and then I'm out the door. It kind of takes the time away from, you know, having to think, okay, which one from my perfumes do I actually want to use. This one, I just grab it, spray it, and I am done. So that is our box for the month of February. I really like a lot of the items. So like I said, I like the perfumes. These little masks I love. I have a lot of these, but it never hurts to have more. The powder, the loose setting powder, the beauty blender, and the full-size Anastasia that we got. This box I think was a big yes for me. I spent $15, made it back with this lipstick here, and then I still got these other products. So if you guys would like to let me know down in the comments below, what did you guys think about this box? Is the $15 worth it for you guys? Considering that we got a full-size lipstick inside. Let me know what your thoughts are. And then remember, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. So that is all for today. So I hope I will see you guys soon. Bye.